This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
These models consist of dual filament halogen headlight bulbs. When the light is burnt out, only the affected bulb needs to be replaced, while the housing is replaced only if it is damaged. Pull the hood release lever underneath the steering wheel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood, then support it with the rod. Loosen the clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight. Rotate the retaining ring about 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise and slide it off the base. Carefully pull the bulb straight out of the housing. Do not rotate the bulb during removal. Without touching the glass with bare fingers, insert the bulb into the housing. Position the flat on the plastic base facing up. Slide the retaining ring on. Turn it clockwise until it hits the stop. Connect the electrical connector to the bulb. Connect the negative cable to the battery terminal. Tighten the cable nut securely. Test the headlight operation. Have the headlight adjustment checked and, if necessary, adjusted.